Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new LaColors look for you using an eyeshadow palette that I had been eyeballing for a long time from LaColors and I just hadn't purchased it yet, and I went to Five Below, found it at Five Below one day randomly, and that's the LaColors What's the Tea Matcha Mix. And there is 3 different palettes in this line. There's a nude one and a pink berry like kind of toned one, and there's this green one, and of course I love this one. So we're going to be doing a green and blue look today, and I primed my lids with a Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer and used Hard Candy's Chilling Wonder powder to catch fallout under my eye. And I have a towel draped over my lap to wipe my brush off on. I'm just taking a more tapered blending kind of brush, or crease brush I should say, and taking this beautiful kind of like foresty teal kind of shade, and it is shimmery, but I'm putting this in my outer corner and I'm going to work on this for, I feel like, quite a while. I just kind of build it up and just press that in the outer corner and up into the crease against the orbital bone. I don't go much higher than the orbital bone, but I'm just going to build this up, like I said, work on the crease area. This is going to eliminate some fallout. Taking this bright matte lime green in the palette, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner part of the crease and over top of the foresty teal green kind of shade that we applied in the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with that same dark shade and apply it in the outer corner and the crease, just deepening it back up, because applying the lime green we definitely lost some of that shade, and this is going to help them blend together as well, just kind of layering them together like this and kind of patting and blending at the same time to mesh those shades together. And I'm going to blend over top of that with a lime green, and once that's done I'm going to go in with this beautiful shimmery green shade, the first shade in the palette. This is not only a really bright shimmery lime green kind of shade, but it is got like this blue kind of shift to it, so that prompted me to use that blue from the palette in my inner corner because they play off of each other really well. So I'm going to wet that and I'm going to press that on the lid, or kind of like paint it on, really. Place that, and then we'll go back in and we will blend shades together, like the outer corner and the lid shade there. Once that's done, I'm going to take the AOA Studio Perfect Press Powder, and this is in porcelain, and I'm just using this as my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to press that under the brow bone and bring it down and just blend, blend, blend. Of course I will bring the shades down in the crease, and then I will also go back with no additional shade on the lime green blending brush I used and blend that lime green with the brow bone highlight, and then I'm going to further blend the outer corner crease shade with the lime green crease shade, and I'm going to reapply shade to the lid. It's a lot of work, but it is worth it to layer shadows like this. They blend so much easier and you don't mess up as often when you're just peppering your shade kind of in. It's like cooking and adding salt and pepper. You add too much, the dish can be ruined. If you add too little, you can add more. So that's always the thing I go off of. And I'm using that darker army Kelly green, I should say, on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that bright lime green again and apply that on the other half of my lower lash line, using NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in the inner corner to kind of highlight. I'm going to put that in there and just blend it out with my finger, and then I'm going to take the bright blue from the eyeshadow palette, which is a matte shade, and just pop it in the inner corner. Now my right eye does look a bit funny, but my eye will not stop watering. These allergies are kicking my tail. NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk in the waterline, tightline with LaColors Gel Eyeliner and Midnight Black, and this is LaColors Biggie Lash. Surprisingly, this is a good mascara I found at the Dollar General. Not the biggest fan of LaColors mascaras, but this one is pretty good. And this is the finished eyes. Now for lips, I am loving this LaColors Nude Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy. I've been wearing it non-stop. I love it. This is the finished completed look. I hope you guys enjoy it and try it out for yourself, especially if you have this palette already. $8 online for this eyeshadow palette. $5 at Five Below if you can find it. I hope that you guys can. It's very beautiful. It's really pigmented and it was a blast to work with. So thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Stay tuned for more looks using this eyeshadow palette. Check the description box and the cards for additional links as well as a product list. And there'll be an LaColors playlist in the cards as well. So thank you guys so very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.